bank, you know, first you come for nothing, but yes. No, oh, sorry. Like, I said when you. All the time. I said, who got it? Who left you? You want to ask them who's on it? Who's on it? Oh, yeah. So you write in this one.
Leji Onupa Fefe Nidamo Victory Presby Somo Kuena Alo Soma Sapuena yeah Adenta Papa if I know what I want to go on let go Emi anomne adofunu wa mwehyie mo ha enano ansa na yebetwa imadi no sono se emre ba Wapini abidi train the bar ya bekasa nanso ehu dia se ye be bona baso se de bi attract o jenga na man ho o de
the transport industry distinguished invited guests nananom friends from the media ladies and gentlemen it is an honor and privilege to welcome you all to this historic occasion, the official commissioning of Metro Mass Transit's first batch of electric buses for use in this country. Today marks a new dawn in MMTL's corporate life and a significant milestone in our journey as a country towards transforming public transport system in Ghana with the introduction of electric buses. First and foremost, let me, on behalf of the Board of Directors, Management and the entire staff of Metro Mass, express our sincerest and unreserved appreciation and gratitude to you, Your Excellency, Dr.Bawumia, and the MPP government for the unwavering support and continued assistance to this company since its inception, and especially for making MMTL part of your innovative hub. Ladies and gentlemen, as you all know, the Metro Mass Transit has been at the forefront of providing reliable, affordable transport to Ghanaians nationwide. Our mission has always been to ensure that public transport is not only accessible and affordable, but also contributes to the overall well-being of the communities that we serve. However, it has become obvious that our continuous commitment to fulfilling the above missions in a changing world largely depend on our recognition on the global call for carbon neutral development amid climate change. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, government response to the above global call culminated in the development of the National Energy Transmission Framework to decarbonize the energy and the transport sector. This framework also includes a plan of gradually eliminate vehicles powered by fossil fuel, which are known to contribute significantly to emissions from transport sector. A major policy initiative for achieving decarbonization in the transport sector was to actively promote, incentivize, and then the uptake of electric vehicles. This led to the launching of the National Electric Policy in 2023 to guide up the uptake of EV in this country. Your Excellency, today, through your support, we are glad to see the commissioning of the first batch of electric buses out of 100 that are being acquired for MMTO. The deployment of these buses is aimed at introducing energy-efficient buses into MMT's operations, not only as a means of revamping the company's mass transit services, but also to help MMT play a leading role.
And he told us to let this be possible. We told him, Mr. President, it is possible for carriers to drive buses. It is possible for us to do it within 5 months. And today, Your Excellency, I am here to tell you that the ladies you gave us today are driving buses, and you will see it very soon on your screen. GAPTI has partnered with Office of the Head of Local Government Service to provide training and capacity building initiative for public transport departments, enabling them to perform their duties effectively. Ultimately, this endeavor will contribute to fulfilling operating mandates for the GAPTI as it was established. Your Excellency, traffic congestion in Accra presents numerous challenges to our nation's overall social and economic fabric. It adversely impacts economic productivity, increases stress levels among students, and undermines
Minister, Noble Titus, Equate Global. The Honorable Minister for Transport, Sekrehu Ufuriya Siama. The Minister of State, Local Government, Honorable Obiamwa. Deputy Minister for Transport and MP for Bushegu, Honorable Hassan Tampuli. Our High Commissioner to Canada, His Excellency Sowa, who is here. Then we have our incoming MP for Adenta constituency, Akosia Neighbor, Kosi Care. Then we have our incoming MP for Medina constituency, Robert Lampton. The chairman and members of the governing board of Metro Bus Transit, chairman and members of the governing board of
and present in Ghana, express profound gratitude to His Excellency Dr.Bawumia, the man of possibilities, for bringing this idea to life. Your visionary leadership continues to propel Ghana toward a greener and more prosperous future. Your dedication to integrating technology and innovation into the daily lives of Ghanaians is truly commendable. You continue to show us that indeed it is possible. To the Ministry of Transport, GAPTI, and all partnering agencies and stakeholders, we say a heartfelt thank you for your relentless efforts in ensuring this initiative came to life.
incoming next Saturday. Dr.Bawumia,
we're grateful to Akosia Asa Menu, also known as Buses+Gears, the parliamentary candidate for the Denton constituency for the upcoming December 7th presidential and parliamentary elections. And now, Your Excellency. Will end at the Kimpo station. God bless you all. Have a wonderful time. Thank you.
This is the work of Dr. Bawumia, our father. Number one, this is my first time voting. I'll vote for you.
Possible. Robert Mia Bawumia, Dr.Bawumia Bawumia. Robert Mia Bawumia.
kuko. Ya kuko. Ya pedach. Papa my papa. Ya me menu ya. I can be said the one me baba kwa chi water. Bawumia na na do adem bent me ba kwa chi mote.
Ya me ade my besia.
Assalamu alaikum. Oh no, yeah.